ni uthiete na mbere na kuhumba riri itura aria mwena ucio na makiria kuona ati riu ni ukiritie kana ni ukiritie maundu matiganite ari hamwe na githomo mwena ucio na ningi urimi no rithiete na mbere na kugacira kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa thukuru no rikaine ta Rosebella chukwu na akiuga ni ugite ati ni meguthi na mbere na kunyitira githomo na gutigirira ati ona arimi ari mwena ucio ni manyitanira hamwe na thukuru uyu itemi ria gukorwo magiteithika na matinga ro hamwe ni indo itiganite cia kumateithĩrĩria gukorwo magikinyaniria wira wao.
Ni gikeno gitangihithika kuri aikari a itura ria Sangaro kaunti ya Bungoma wa githomo gia sayansi na urimi yathudorirwo.
We have over 50 courses. We have the building and civil engineering department, mechanical engineering department, and beverage and clothing.
Yake mahotithĩtie gwĩkũria kĩũrĩmi.
Are used. So we are all day, a weekend, showing the farmers how this machine. They come here for short. Partners. These partners, they do a lot of programs besides the equipment that they have given us. We do a lot of farm activities or value addition.
Makiria Cukuru uyu ni hotete kuhimbiria urimi wa nguku, njuki na uhandi wa mimera itiganite na magi matiganite megie urimi ta uria Rosebella aratariria.
We produce honey that we consume within ourselves and we sell also. For example, this is the honey. I've just had tea and I use this. I no longer have sugar. They have given us a very big machine for hatching eggs. We also have what we call horticulture in a big time. There's one machine I must mention that was brought to us by this partner. It is a combined harvester that does a lot of things. It can harvest maize, wheat, millet.
Muikariri giti uyu augite ati cukuru uyu ni ukinyaniire ikiro cia kuhambio ngathi na gutuika wa gibũrũri kumana na tabarĩra ciao ona gukorwo na namba nene ya arutwo.
We have close to 7,000 students currently. We've really improved in our enrollment, and that is the required number for an institution to be elevated to a national polytechnic.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa Mũcwe.